What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm here today to share the making of a busy bag. What's a busy bag? Well, you know, it's that little bag of things you take along for your younger kids while your older kids are doing sports, or if you're on a trip or a long car ride. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to see everything that it takes. Maybe I'll be sharing a few new ideas with you guys, and I would love to hear from you down in the comments. What are some of your kids' favorite busy bag contents that they love? One of the things that we like to put in our busy bags are washi tape, and these are all washi tapes from Gator's collection that we've gotten at Dollar Tree. And he likes to do different washi tape designs, or he likes to make envelopes and just seal them with the washi tape. But another thing you can do with this medium-sized construction paper pad, and I think this is a great deal, just $1, is, you know, you can do washi tape designs, or you can use a pair of scissors and a glue stick. This was from a multi-pack of like 8 different glue sticks. It's by Jot. And you can cut little things out, and glue sticks are so easy and easy on the go. You can cut things out, put them on the paper, make little artwork, use your washi tape, make a little border. This is like a $4 activity right here. So I love this. And depending upon the age of your youngest child or the age of your child, it seems like all kids love to cut things. I think cutting things is great for the motor skills. It's a great time waster, or, you know, activity to have when you want them to have a little bit of a longer activity. Here are some other notebooks that I've gotten at Dollar Tree, and you can see Gator wrote his name on here kind of messily. But here are some other notebooks. Of course, good old paper and pen, or using the stickers in a notebook. I have some stickers here to share with you guys. A lot of times Gator likes to make sticker scenes. These were from Dollar Tree, and they're Jot stickers, and he hasn't used them yet, but he has started to use these Skylander stickers, and these also came from Dollar Tree. You get 320 in a book. And Dollar Tree doesn't always have sticker books, but when they do, you usually get a lot of stickers, and he really likes these. We've been using some of these for school. So that's another activity. Sticker books, writing in a notebook, drawing, using washi tape, cutting things out with a scissor and glue stick. Coloring books. This also came from Dollar Tree. This one he got for Christmas. I don't know if he's worked in it yet. But they have a lot of name brand coloring books. My Little Pony, Hot Wheels, Cars. They have so many. It seems like when you're waiting for someone, you always get hungry. So, of course, I like to include a couple snacks, fruit, maybe a granola bar, maybe some almonds, something like that. But these came from Dollar Tree, and you get 6 in a box. And of course, you guys can always pick out your favorite pen or pencil, crayon or marker or color pencil from Dollar Tree. I think this was originally a 6 or 8 pack. These are the Clip Clicks by Ink. And a lot of the little stems, or the little clicker things here, I can't think of what they're called. A lot of those broke off, but you can still push the button and make them work. Except for these things breaking off, we really like these. And Gator really likes to color with pens, and he likes to write with pens and draw with pens. So that's also an option. And this is a fun option, finding a little calculator at Dollar Tree. I think kids really love calculators, and you know, it's really small and compact, and you can teach them about addition and subtraction, and you know, it's good for probably 5 minutes, but you know, you get some lessons built in with this activity, and if they're really little, they feel kind of grown using this. And even though a lot of us just use calculators that are on our phones now, this is definitely better than handing over your phone. And we got these years ago at Dollar Tree, probably 3 or 4 years ago. On to some fun things. If you want them to sit down, I totally understand that you wouldn't want to bring a yo-yo, but if they can stand or be in the vicinity, something like this might keep them really busy. This is kind of like a beginner yo-yo. And Gator actually has 2 of them, and my fingers are too big, but this slips on their finger, and this is like a really easy starter yo-yo. I believe this is by Beyblade, and yes, it did come from Dollar Tree. I think these normally retail for about $6. We have the next stage one as well, and he really likes both. And of course, Dollar Tree has little puzzles and little knockoff Rubik's Cubes and things like this too. This could keep a kid busy for a long time if they're patient. We haven't figured this out. My husband usually can figure out one side really quickly, but he kind of gave up on this one. But I think that would be fun to throw in the bag, and that would be fun for parents too. If you're sitting somewhere or waiting somewhere where there's a counter or a table, puzzles are also really great. They also had the small, like, PJ Masks puzzles, the ones in the little metal tin, and we really liked those. I had gotten one for Gator. It was PJ Masks, and he really, really liked that one. And that's a nice activity for you to do with your child as well. Dollar Tree also sells the pack of Play-Doh, the knockoff Play-Doh, and I just grabbed one here, and I figured, you know, again, if you have a counter or table, you could do a little something with that. Next, we have these Transformers, and these actually came from a blind bag, and I know that kids love blind bags. They really look forward to their blind bags, and I bet they would do anything and have the best behavior in order to open their blind bag if you wanted to save that as a reward. But Gator got these for Christmas, and he loves them because he loves blue, and these are 2 Transformers. And I think imaginary play is really great. I think it is something that you can do with your child. I also think that it can take up a lot of time, especially if you get involved with your child. So I wanted to share with you guys some other name brand or licensed toys that I found at Dollar Tree here in the last 6 months or so, and these would really be great for imaginary play as well. Here we have some action figures from Yokai Watch. These each came with their own little coin, or whatever they're called. It's been a while since I've watched the series. It's on Netflix. But he really likes his collection that we found at Dollar Tree. And these are so great for imaginary play. Dollar Tree really has some nice deals from time to time on name brand toys. I also got these in the large size. We also have these, and I think his little flame popped out. We have it somewhere. I can't remember the name of the movie that's from right now, but I like it. It's like right on the tip of my tongue. Who remembers the Sick Bricks? I thought this was a nice little deal. Again, also for imaginary play. Gator really likes these. And they're super tiny. Easy to lose, but they don't take up much space, which is really nice. And last but not least are all the name brand toys that you can find at Dollar Tree for just $1. And I know we can find these at Target and Walmart for under $1 as well. But these are really great in a busy bag. Surprising your little boy with a car will keep him really busy for a while. And the cool thing to do with the notebooks as well is, you know, making little scenes or little roads and turning it into imaginary play if you want to, you know, keep your child busy for a long time. What do you think? Do you like my busy bag ideas? Of course, you can add drinks and more snacks, maybe, you know, some sugarless gum or something like that, whatever your child really likes. But these are just some of my ideas for a busy bag that I'm going to be using for Gator. This is a new busy bag we're putting together, and If you guys really like these, let me know down in the comments. If you guys want to see more of these, if you want to see what the monthly or the next monthly busy bag looks like, let me know. If this is something you guys want me to do on a regular basis, I will definitely share my busy bag with you. But all right, you guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.